So, big day today, another milestone. I finished with all the insulation. So everything is now insulated. Got a little WJJQ radio going in the background to make the day work a little easier. But tomorrow we're gonna run our 6-inch strip across above the windows. So we had to take those outlets, drop them down so they were out of the way and just make things easier. But everything now has R19. I put R19 in between the seams here because these are 6-inch cavities, and I just thought, you know, R13 is okay, but let's put R19 in, and some of them it's doubled with the R13 and the R19, taking me up to R32 on this. It really doesn't matter. It's a 4-season room or 3-season room, and you know, because the windows are vinyl, and so you know, this is not going to be by any means that energy efficient, but it's meant to be a nice room for during the summertime. We've got all the insulation under all the crevices. Everything with that is done. We can now start putting walls up. I'm super excited about that. It's been a rough day, to be honest with you. It's been a rough couple days. I last week had COVID, like I said, and I screwed my back up. I've got I think it's the L4 is just binding right on the nerves and just hurts like the dickens. We'll say that. It's just really painful. I didn't know if I'd get anything done on this today, but I put the big boy pants on, sucked it up, and I got it done this far. I'm real happy with that. So with that said, hit that like and subscribe button. We're now over 12,000 views. I think closing on about 12,500 views. So that's pretty cool. And we've got roughly 100 videos out there, just shy of it now, with the different projects we've been doing. It's going on 4 o'clock. It's time to slow it down today. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow with the start of our trim.